Yes, I'm jumping on this bed to test out how strong this bed frame actually is. Did it hold? Hello people out there, welcome back to my channel. Well, if there are three things I hate in life, off the top of my head, it's public speaking, moving, and putting furniture together. But it was a necessity because my old wooden bed frame broke. I was looking online for something to replace it, and I found this Zinus metal and wood Platforma bed. It had some good reviews, and it was pretty well priced. I paid $170.98 for it, so I figured I'd give this one a chance. It said it was easy to put together. We'll see about that. Not for me, usually. So this is what comes in the package. It actually looks a lot less of a clutter than I thought it would be, so I was happy about that. I got the plastic off, and here's the instructions and the tools you need. Here are the screws, a long screw, an Allen wrench, spare parts, the instructions, and these little thank you notes. Let's check this out and see how easy it is. It looks simple enough. Just go down the list of what comes in it. As easy as 1, 2, 3. We'll see about that. Had this cool little Allen wrench socket thing that actually made things a lot easier. But I set it up the way it was supposed to look, and I did it upside down so I could have the screws that needed to go in closer to the ground. So just find the numbers that correlate with each other. 2 goes into 2. Start putting the screws in. I found it was best to make them finger tight and then go in with the Allen wrenches. Here's the second one. Slides right in. Put these 3 screws in. So far we're doing good. I watched some videos of people putting these together, and some of them were having trouble with the screws going in. I was praying that wouldn't happen. This was actually the easiest one out of all 4 corners. Like I said, just make it finger tight and then go in with the little socket Allen wrench to put it to rest. Very easy. Looking good so far. Now we're going on to my third corner. See, the number 2 goes into number 2. Had to bang it a little bit, but it went in. There we go. Same thing as the other ones. I wanted this frame mainly because it's about, I want to say 14 inches off the ground, so I can put, have more storage to hide things under the bed, which I like. My other bed frame wouldn't do that. So here's the last corner. Of course, it gave me the most trouble. I had to use the regular Allen wrench a couple times to get them started like that, because they wouldn't go in with just my fingers. But that was no problem. Once I passed a certain threshold, they went in with just my hand, and then I used the other socket to finish it off. So far, so good. There's a center beam that needs to go on. 2 screws on that end and 2 screws on this end. The socket wrench didn't seem to work as well, so did it the old-fashioned way. Worked even faster for me this time. And on the other end, same thing. Almost done. Okay, now it's time to flip it over and put the little centerpiece in that holds it up in the center. Let's put a little washer down, put the longest screw in, just like the other ones, finger tight. And finish it off. Last step is to place the wooden slats in. It's really nice because it has Velcro on the very ends all the way down. So just put it in and Velcro's in place. Do the same thing for the second set of slats. Pull that little piece off that holds the mattress in place. See, peel off the upper strip. It's sticky, and once you put the mattress on it, it'll hopefully hold it in place. Better than nothing. That's what it looks like completely assembled. Now it's time to put the mattress back on. And with this one, you don't need the box spring, which was cool, as I struggle to get this mattress on. And done. Here's what it looks like, the final product. As you can see, I already started storing things underneath. Very, very handy. Looks good. It's nice and solid because it's made out of metal. And here I am jumping on it. It doesn't squeak at all. Didn't move at all. It seems very, very solid, so I'm very happy with this purchase. I weigh around 220 pounds. It's supposed to be good up to 500 pounds, but I put this together all by myself. It took around, gosh, I want to say 15 minutes for everything, so yeah, I love it. Thanks for watching.